Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AutoCAD installation failed in 2026. If AutoCAD won't install, or the setup stops with an error message, this guide will walk you through the most common solutions step by step. First, restart your computer before trying the installation again. This clears temporary files and closes background processes that might interfere with the installer. Next, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the version of AutoCAD you're installing. Also, verify that you have enough free storage space on your system drive. Now download the latest AutoCAD installer directly from the official Autodesk website. If your previous download was incomplete or corrupted, delete it and download a fresh copy. Next, right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to complete the installation successfully. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, then try installing AutoCAD again. Some security programs may block installation files or required services. Now check for Windows updates and install any pending updates. Restart your computer after the updates finish, then run the AutoCAD installer once more. If the installation still fails, use the repair option if it's available, or completely uninstall any previous AutoCAD versions before starting a clean installation. Finally, if the problem continues, review the installation error message or log file and contact Autodesk support with the details for further assistance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix AutoCAD installation failed step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.